Need to turn a PDF into an editable presentation? Adobe Acrobat Pro makes it easy to convert PDF files into PowerPoint presentations, allowing you to edit slides, update content, and customize your presentation without starting from scratch. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert a PDF to PowerPoint using Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro version, as this feature requires the full capabilities of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the conversion tools needed for this process. Next, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays documents you've recently worked with, making it easy to locate the file you want to convert. From the list, select the PDF you want to convert into a PowerPoint presentation. If the file doesn't appear in Recent Files, you can browse your computer and open it manually. Once your PDF is open, look at the upper toolbar and click Convert. This tool allows you to transform PDFs into a variety of formats, including PowerPoint presentations. After clicking Convert, a panel will appear with several file format options. From the list, select Microsoft PowerPoint. This tells Adobe Acrobat to optimize the conversion specifically for PowerPoint compatibility. Next, click Convert to PPTX. PPTX is the standard PowerPoint file format and works with most modern versions of Microsoft PowerPoint as well as other presentation software. Now you'll need to choose where you want to save the converted file. Adobe Acrobat allows you to save it directly to your computer, Adobe Cloud Storage, or other connected cloud services. Select the location that best suits your workflow and where you'll want to access the presentation later. Enter a file name in the field provided. Choosing a clear and descriptive name will make it easier to find the presentation in the future. Once you've entered the file name, click Save to confirm your settings. Adobe Acrobat will now begin the conversion process. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this may take a few moments. During the process, you'll see a progress indicator showing the conversion status. When the conversion is complete, you'll have a fully editable PowerPoint presentation that you can open, modify, rearrange, and present as needed. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional Adobe Acrobat tips, tricks, and productivity guides.